Learn how to use the evaluation tool, a guide for higher education institutions. Log into the EWP Dashboard using the following link and enter your email address and password. To view all course evaluations, go to the Course Evaluations tab from the menu on the left and select your preferred course. To easily locate a specific course, use the filters by clicking the blue button in the top right corner. You can search for courses using either the course code or course title. On the evaluation page, you'll find information about the course and the evaluation at the top of the page. The data from the evaluation is organized by survey theme. Click the tabs above the data to select and review a specific theme from the evaluation survey. Be sure to scroll down the pages so you don't miss any important data. You can export all the data from the evaluation at once by clicking the Export button in the bottom right corner.